Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to adjust horizontal and vertical cell alignment in Excel. So let's get started. So if you see we have lot of data in Excel wherein we are having the headers in left being most of them being left aligned. So in order so which doesn't looks good. Okay. So in order to make it right align we need to do it we need to click this button. Okay, or else we can make it center align. Left align, in this case it doesn't looks good, so most of the time people opt for either center align or else right align. Same way for this case we will make it left align. So now we can also apply this to the numbers which we are having, but hold on. Whenever we are applying this formatting, alignment formatting for numbers, it doesn't works always. So let's say I am applying center for numbers and then left align on number. So now let's say if you are having some differences, okay, let's say I will make it as 150. Okay, so now it is 70. Okay, so now when you do a center align, okay, or let's say you are having comma, so if you say this doesn't center aligns. Okay, so if you just try to make it left align or right align or center align, it won't work. So you need to be sure what you are formatting. Okay, one more thing is like if you are having this thing, okay, so if you see this row, okay, it is having a higher height than the other cells over here. So if we just try to do a center line, so it will remain at the bottom. So what we need to do is we need to keep it at the center of the cell. So in order to do that, what we need to do is select the cell and select this button over here. So it will make it at this, it will move the text to the center of the cell. Similarly for top, and this is for middle align, and this is for bottom align. Okay, so these are the three options for top, middle and the bottom align, and these are left, right and center. So basically in short, if we go, then this option, if you see top left, is this top left and left align. Similarly center align and bottom align. So this is top, middle and top right, center right, bottom left. In this way, based on your requirement, you can just move the cells from left to right and top to bottom. Okay, so that's it for the day. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.